Hello, good morning, guys. So, I just successfully created my own ESL website. So, you may check it out, the link in the comment section. And for this website, let me show you. Let's check, make sure all the buttons are working. So, let's click Get Started. All right, it's working. Fantastic. Let's scroll down a little bit. Let's click Start Free Talk Lesson. Okay, it's working as well. Learn more. It's working. Fantastic. All right. So, learning services designed for you, whether you're a beginner or advanced learner. I offer personalized lessons that fit your schedule and goals. So, free talk lessons engage in natural real world. Real world. So, I'm just showing to you guys the kind of skills that I have, wherein I can make a website for your business, you know, anything. Just send me a message on my Facebook account. um, I offer a very low professional fee for the website creation. Okay, this is awesome. Look at this feature. So that's me conducting an online teaching. Okay, so there's my journey: 8 years in BPO, 6 years in ESL teaching. So, for those who would like to have an English lessons with me, it could be free talk, or beginner lessons. Don't hesitate to visit my website and book a lesson. Just click book a lesson. Just fill in your name, your email address, and tell me about your English learning goal. What's your main goal? Would you like to be fluent in English? Would you like to be, um, an efficient uh, English speaker? Okay, let me know. Okay, so here are my fees: $5 per hour. So very affordable for everyone. So here are some testaments from my previous students. Mark's teaching style is so natural and encouraging. I went from being nervous to speak to confidently having conversations. Highly recommended. Thank you, Jessica from Brazil. Best value for money. The lessons are engaging, and Mark really understands how to make learning fun and effective. Worth every penny. Thank you, Kenji from Japan. I improved my IELTS score significantly thanks to Mark's targeted coaching. His experience in both BPO and teaching really shows. Sophia from Spain, thank you so much. Okay. Again, for those who need some help in creating a website for your business, for your ESL freelance dream job, or if you're looking for a virtual assistant, I can help you guys. Just send me a message. So I like the background here. Awesome. Thank you.